Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to the Nourishing Traditions. And today we're going to aim at liver drainage and talk about liver as the largest emunctory, the largest eliminating organ in the body. And liver drainage aims at emptying the gallbladder and the liver from accumulated waste, thus enabling the liver to filter waste from the organs and the blood, mainly the blood. So, not only does the liver filter the waste contained in blood, but it neutralizes and destroys toxins, poisons, microbes, and disease cells. Medicinal plants stimulate liver, and the most well known examples are dandelion, the baldo tree, and birch. So the medicinal plants, they can be hepatic and choleretic plants, which influence the liver's hepatic cells by increasing the bile secretion. And some plants have biliary and cholagogue properties that increases the gallbladder's contractility, and therefore the quantity of bile is poured into the digestive tract. Now, these two types of plants, they increase gut motility, and in fact, they increase the speed of transit, which is the proof of their prescription's validity. So, if stools are soft, that's a kind of a diarrhea. The transit is too fast, and the dose should be therefore reduced. Drainage aims at purging the gallbladder and liver of the accumulated waste so that the liver can resume filtering waste that has been accumulated in the blood over the years. The main vegetables which are used to drain are artichoke, black radish, dandelions, and the olive tree. And as for the medicinal plants, rosemary, baldo tree, European sanctuary, chicory, peppermint, and epitorium, turmeric, goldenrod, and buck bean are great examples. So, one of the diets which help in liver drainage is the olive oil diet, and it has cholagogue and choleretic virtues both from the olive tree when it is used as an oil. So, only first cold pressed olive oil. This is required for this diet and not any other form or any refined processed, not any other form of olive oil. It should be the first cold pressed olive oil. So, as a fatty body, oil causes biliary functions by nature. So, when our gallbladder detects any oil in the intestines and the duodenum, it automatically starts releasing bile acids because bile acids bonify oils. So, diet one for olive oil diet can be for 10 to 15 days. Just take 1 to 2 spoonfuls of olive oil every morning on an empty stomach. This diet can be repeated several times a year. And diet two is fasting during the evening before beginning the diet, or you can do otherwise like fast during morning and do the diet in the evening, but you have to be fasting for a couple of hours before going on olive oil because the quantity of olive oil you'll be consuming is quite large. That's 100 to 200 ml of olive oil, and it can be on only empty stomach. So there is another way of lying down on your side and slip two pillows under your pelvis so that your shoulder is lower than your head. And within a half an hour, the oil reaches the duodenum and enters the bile duct and the gallbladder. So lubricating and stimulating these organs, which in return helps the gallbladder to release more bile acids into the duodenum. So this can be repeated once a month or 3 days in a row. And the second method may seem somewhat fastidious, but it's highly effective. It drains the engorged gallbladder, and this can be good for patients who have gallbladder surgeries due and they don't want to get a surgery, or they've got some stones in gallbladder, so that would really activate the gallbladder. But this cure is not for everyone. So, as the gallbladder is vigorously called into action, and the oil absorbed results in intensive digestive activity. So, only if you know that your digestive system will help the gallbladder function properly, go for this diet. Otherwise, don't do it. So, the diet is just adding lemon juice to the oil, which will make it more easily digestible. The second diet, this one is only recommended for sturdy people with good digestion, as I told you, and is not advised for thin and nervous people. So this was today for today's video for liver and gallbladder drainage. I hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe. And happy Ramadan. See you in the next videos. Masalama.